Dear students, today we discuss the VIVA question based on experiment convex and concave mirror. Such, what do you mean by mirror? A mirror is a device which reflects the light. How many kinds of mirror are there? There are two kinds of mirror are there. One is the plane mirror, and second is the spherical mirror. Plane mirror, one part is polished, so light is falling on it and it gets reflected. Spherical mirror, how the spherical mirror are formed? We are taking a hollow glass sphere, hollow. Outer part is polished, cut it. Inner part is polished, cut it. This mirror is called concave mirror. The inner part is polished, outer part is reflecting, that is convex mirror. The center of the sphere is called central curvature. The midpoint of the polished part is called pole. And the radius of the sphere is called radius of curvature. And this is principal axis. This is principal axis. Right? What are the laws of reflection? First law, the incident ray, reflected ray and normal must lie at one point in the same plane, and second, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Right? Next question arises, what are you doing here? We are calculating the focal length of concave mirror, convex mirror. Concave mirror we individually calculate because concave mirror converges the light at one point. We call it converging mirror. Right? It converges the light at one point. So we call it converging mirror. Right? This is called where it meets. There is focus, and the distance between pole and focus is called focal length. While concave mirror spread out the light. Right? It spread out the light. So this is the main focus, this is pole, and this is focal length. So it is called diverging mirror. What we call it? We call it converging mirror. Right? It forms the real image. Individually, we can use concave mirror to find the focal length, but it is impossible that we can find the focal length of convex mirror by itself. We have to take the help of the convex lens. We have to take the help of the convex lens whose focal length is much more than the radius of curvature of the spherical mirror. Right? Okay. One another question is arise. What are the images they are forming? Sir, it is formed virtual image behind the mirror. The size of image is same and the distance is same. Converging mirror. This is concave mirror. It always forms real, inverted and diminished image to highly magnified image. What it do? It forms virtual, erect and the size is small. Right? This mirror is used as the rear view mirror for in vehicles, because what happened, it covers a large area and forms a very small image, and the image formed by convex mirror is more intense than the image formed by the plane mirror. Why? Because it form a very small image, so intensity increases. Right? Next question. We have a plane mirror. Right? We have plane mirror. We dip in water. What happened to its focal length? Its focal length remains infinite. It does not get changed. Radius of curvature of plane mirror and focal length is infinity. Right? We have a spherical mirror, plane mirror, etc. We have a spherical mirror. We cut this spherical mirror into two parts. When we cut in two parts, the focal length is F, but the focal length of individual part that remain F, because focal length is dependent on the radius of curvature, and radius of curvature does not change, the focal length does not change. Right? A more question you can ask, what are the uses of the concave mirror? What are the uses of convex mirror? Convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror. Concave mirror is used as the in torch, searchlight, right? Headlamp, headlights, etc. Plane mirror is used to see the what? Our images, basically used. So thank you very much. In next video, we discuss the VIVA question based on the lenses.